Find a comfortable seat and close your eyes. This is a centering meditation, and its purpose is to gather your resources inward, to gather your focus, and to reorient your attention back onto your inner self, your inner knowing, so that you can come from a place of clarity and peace. Take a moment to position your body so you feel comfortable yet alert. You can let your palms rest open to the sky, or rest your palms down on your lap. Feel your head sort of balancing right on top. And do a body scan, no judgment, no story, just gentle noticing. Pull your attention in. All your awareness is inward. And bring your attention down to your seat, where your hips and your sits bones are. Feel into how your hips are oriented. Is there more weight on the left or the right? And gradually bring your attention up from the base of the spine, noticing how each part of the spine is stacking on the next, traveling to the belly. Notice, feel. Traveling up into the heart space, this area behind your sternum, in between your shoulder blades. And you open, allow, receive. Traveling up to the chest and the upper back, just a little bit above the heart space. A lot of times we feel emotions here in the chest, or get that tension in our upper back / neck region. Tracking up to the jaw, the tongue. Relax your tongue, relax the jaw. Feel into this space. Now begin to soften your belly and just allow your breath to start exploring your abdomen gently. Breathing naturally, but just turning your awareness onto that breath. See how it feels in the lower part of the belly. Does it feel a little bit forced? Just try to let it be natural. Just try to notice what's happening there. Oh. Now try to make your breaths even. Even in and even out. Breathing in and out of the nose. The nose is lined with cells that produce nitric oxide. When we're in excitable states, we tend to start to breathe in and out of the mouth, whether that's good excitement or bad. So to calm ourselves, We intentionally breathe in and out of the nose to activate those cells which produce nitric oxide. Make your inhales and exhales deeper, still keeping with an even pace. Even inhale, even exhale. Maybe you want to count 4 in and 4 out, or 5 or 6. Just make them symmetrical. Continue for a few moments. Take your breath into that equalized state under your control. You are powerful. Now leave your breath alone. Next time you exhale, just let it go back to completely natural. Let it do whatever it wants. Allow the breath to be completely normal now. You might notice that it's changed. You might notice that you don't need as much. Bring your awareness to the center of your being, that heart space we referred to. How has it changed in the center of your being? Take your hands and place your palms one over the other, maybe on your belly, maybe on your upper chest, maybe there on the heart space, somewhere in the center of your torso. Whatever feels right to you, whatever feels more centered. Feel the warmth of your own hands, encouraging your center to open, to bloom, to blossom. Giving your own energy to this space that is all yours already. Continue to breathe normally. All your awareness inside, watching this activation. Think to yourself or say out loud for even more power, I am centered. Think to yourself or use the power of your space of creation and say out loud, I choose freedom from the past. Think to yourself or add that gusto and say it like you mean it. I love life and life loves me. Take a deep breath into your hands now. Feel your chest or your abdomen lifting into your palms. Slowly breathe in. And then exhale, release your palms back down to your lap. I invite you to do another body scan and notice what's shifted in less than 9 minutes. And make a decision right now about when you're going to press play on this meditation again. You are powerful beyond measure, and you have everything you need inside of you. Maybe peeking one eye open and then the other. If you ever come out of meditation and the world feels a little bit wonky, just close your eyes again. Honor your body. Honor your nervous system and give it that 30 or 90 seconds to come back naturally.